Creating a WordPress website for a restaurant is easy and can effectively showcase your menu, location, and services. Here's how to do it. Choose a domain and hosting. First, choose a domain name that represents your restaurant and register it. For hosting, use a provider like Hostinger, Bluehost, or SiteGround that offers one-click WordPress installations. Install WordPress. Install WordPress through your hosting provider's control panel. Most hosting services offer simple WordPress installation tools. Choose a restaurant theme. Select a restaurant-specific theme from the WordPress theme repository or use a premium theme like Restaurant Theme or Divi. Install and activate your theme by going to Appearance, Themes. Add key pages. Create essential pages like Menu Page. Use a plugin or add a table for your menu items. About Us. Include information about your restaurant's story, staff, and values. Contact Page. Include a contact form, location map, and hours of operation. Install useful plugins. Add plugins like WP Forms, WooCommerce, or OpenTable. Customize the design. Customize colors, fonts, and layout using the customizer in Appearance to match your restaurant's branding.